Yo, what up, boys? Like that intro, huh? Like that, yeah. All right. Today we're gonna be making brownies. As you guys can see, that chef over there, he just preheated the oven 375. Those are all the ingredients. Look at that dance move. Let's go. Yeah. Now we just put 2 sticks of butter like an absolute god, cause we are gods. Am I right? I'm gonna eat my microphone. Alright, cool. What up, Michelle? I love you. No, I don't. I hate you. I want you. Anyway, back to the thing. Sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Eat that in there like a god, like so, cause I'm a god. Probably the best presentation you guys will ever see. Anyway, let's go. Let's do that. By the way, U.S. Shirt coming up soon. Yep, like U.S. soccer team jersey. Let's go. Now we just mix it like an actual god. I practice every day. What? Alright, some more. Yeah, let's do that. Dude, you always need vanilla aroma. Stare straight into your soul. Just see what's in there. Ooh, that's disgusting. Alright, now we add some 3 eggs. Let's go. Beautiful. Keep on doing that. Yeah. Smash that like, by the way. Love it. I'd love it if you did that. By the way you mix these is really essential, like really just key as of like how the brownie will come out. You gotta mix it really nicely like that, like so, like, you know, just break the yolks like of the eggs and just make sure you incorporate it straight into the batter. That way you will get a nice and probably tasty brownie, just like me, cause yeah, lit. Alright, some break the last egg yolk, I believe. Yep. And then mix it some more just to make sure, you know, like a god. Alright, now walk away from the camera like a boss. Okay, now this lad over here decides to put in some of that beautiful flour. Alright, 1 cup of flour, like so. Oh snap, the big ol', oh my god, he's so hot. What? Alright. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm so self-centered. I just love myself, man. It's not my fault. My mama gave me a big ego when I was born, alright? That's how things work, right? Apparently. Alright, tears of, is it, wait. Editor number 2, also known as Victor, what have you done? Did you just, you disgusting pig? Alright, oh well, it's staying in there. Well, more vanilla. Dude, you can never get enough of vanilla aroma. I don't think you understand how important / crucial it is. It tastes good. It smells delicious. You just need it, man. And you know it if you don't have it, because it's so empty. It's sad. Alright, butter that pan, yeah. Alright, we'll just keep on buttering it. Make sure you butter the sides too. I'm gonna do that in a second. Yep, see? Except they put it down because I'm a loser. No, just kidding. Haha, I'm God. And God never loses. Except when I created Michelle. That was a pretty big L. Not epic at all. Quite sad, actually. Alright, anyway, once we're done with this, yep, over here. We're gonna pour that batter straight there. Yep. Really cool. Just make sure you also just, you know, once it's all in there, just make sure you spread it really evenly, that the pan doesn't have a hole in it like mine. It's aluminum, and someone may or may not have made the mistake of cutting it with a knife in there. Totally not me, guys. I would never do such thing. Alright, just kidding, boys, it was me. Haha, silly me. I'm fine. Alright, now that we got the spreading process in there, look at that. Oh yeah, so nice. It looks so great, man. Just keep on spreading that. Alright, it's almost, yep, it's done. Straight to the oven. Oh, please don't meme that. Alright, we put that right into the preheated oven and then close it and then do it until, oh, Coca-Cola break. Alright, do it. I meant to say bake it until it's basically done. Until you like stab it with something and it doesn't, batter doesn't come off like raw batter. That's cool. Alright, Mr. Tester Chef. Yep, Mr. Like W. Charlie Cahoon, the one who we hired to test. Alright, let's see. Oh wow, that's not a dull knife, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what's up, Michelle? Alright, let's see. Alright. Ooh. 4 out of 5. You know what? That's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's a brownie. It's simple. It's really simple recipe actually. Yeah, I think he's happy with it. Ladies and gentlemen, I think he is happy with it. Alright, that's pretty cool. Thank you, Chef Victor. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Yeah. Hey. Big dub, don't forget to hit that sub.